An endangered species is one that has been determined to be highly likely to become extinct in some or all of its range, according to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. When we say a species is threatened, it means that while the species is not currently about to become extinct, there is a high likelihood of the species becoming endangered in the near future. Hence, the Federal List of Threatened and Endangered Species is a compilation of plant and animal species that meet the aforementioned definitions. Throughout the history of life on our planet, species have come and gone. For example, dinosaurs became extinct millions of years ago by what is believed to be an asteroid impact. Nevertheless, in recent times, the main factors that cause a species to be threatened, endangered, and/or become extinct are the loss of habitat resulting from human activities, excessive hunting, and poisoning from a variety of pesticides. This is particularly true in the case of the American alligator, bald eagle, and the eastern brown pelican in recent U.S. history. The Endangered Species Act is the main legislation that governs how endangered and threatened species are treated. As a result of this legislation and amendments, when a plant or animal is placed on the Endangered Species List, certain protections are granted to this species, such as preservation of its habitat or ecosystem. The federal government makes funds available to the states to set up conservation programs to meet the challenge of not only stopping the decline of the species, but restoring the population to the point that some protections are no longer needed. Some practices have been shown to be very effective and instrumental in reviving declining populations. One such practice is captive breeding and reintroduction of species. This was used in the conservation of the grey wolf and the bald eagle. The Endangered Species Act and other legislation make it illegal to harass, disturb, hunt, or kill endangered species, with few exceptions. There have been a few successes in that some animals that were once endangered and placed on the list have now made a remarkable recovery because of the protections and assistance provided by the federal government through the Endangered Species Act and amendments. Such animals include the American alligator, the eastern brown pelican, bald eagles, grey wolf, and some plants like the running buffalo clover. When a species is deemed recovered, it is delisted.